Good morning to all of you. Hello, friends. A very good morning to all of you. My name is Shad. This workshop is organized by IBDC India, helping others. Hope you are all good. Let's begin the topic. For better understanding, you can open your MS Excel Word sheet, which is provided by you, the IBDS India. Let's move on to the topic without wasting our time because we don't have so much time to cover all these things. So now we discussing yesterday the filter data and the shortened filter proper and the name format according to their filtrations proper format and the merge format. Now I'm covering this fast for just see the data first. So this is the filtration data. Filter can be used to narrow down the data in your worksheet and hide parts of it from the view. While it may sound a little like grouping, filtering is different because it allows you to qualify and display only the data that interests you. For example, you could filter a list of survey participants to view only those who are between the age of 25 and 34. Here's the example are the qualifications here. I am taking the qualifications with their names. For filtration, you could also filter an inventory of paint color to view anything that contains the word blue and such a bluebell or robin egg blue. In this session, you will see the filtration again. Just unselect the data first by selecting, go to the shorten filter key. There is the option for filtrations. Just click on that filter or you can type Ctrl Shift plus L is the short key for filtration. Now, if you want to know the graduation students, just unselect the data first, then select graduation. What do you want to know? See, only the graduation students are here. Now I'm undo this. Okay. And this is the conditional formatting in home reading box. Conditional formatting, if you want to color the highlight of any individual or particular things, you can select the data, go to conditional format, text that contains, if you have number, if you want to filter the numbers, you can choose the greater than or less than. Now I'm selecting text that contains, I'm using, see, I'm taking the qualifications data for highlights, text that contains, click on that, qualifications you can enter PG student. I want to highlight the PG students in yellow with dark. See, my cells are converted into the color. Okay, and this is the formula bar. You can see below the font or alignment. Now I'm again repeating this part, proper format and full name. If you missed this yesterday, you can understand it better now. Now I'm deleting this cell. I want to know I want to merge the first name and last name in one column. Put equal to sign, concatenate, select the cell, comma, fun, comma, bracket, See, our name has been displayed. See, but full name hasn't in proper format. So what we gonna do? Go to proper format, delete this cell, equal to sign, proper, bracket close, select the cell you want to proper that, bracket close after that. So hit enter. See, first name will be displayed in block letters, rest are then are in small letters. Here दानिश जब्बार ब्लॉक लेटर में था पहले, अभी प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में आ गया. ठीक है. Now you want to change the format, go to the insert, here you can select the colors for your box or headings. I am selecting this. See, my whole data is converted into this color. Okay, now I'm undo it. So this is the alignment key over home written box, the alignment and the merge center. Now I'm again receiving call. Just wait a moment. Now this is the wrap text. I want to this cell into one. This is the first name and last name into one column. Just select the cell, go to merge center. You have to click the drop down menu box. So merge across. Just click merge across. See, my data will gone. The last name. Why? Because of the cell. Now click on that, merge and center. See, it will appear again. Now I'm going to show here. Let's see, workshop India. These two columns, I want to separate this in one column, workshop and India. Okay, just select the box, go to merge and center. See, our wrap text merge across in one cell. Okay, you have to color this, just fill that center alignment and the middle alignment. Just increase this font from here, and this is the font options. See, okay. Now this is the format painter. Format painter to, if you want to write date equal to date format year 2020 19th month, sorry, month 7, 19th day, bracket close, hit enter. You want to this date in this column. Again in this column, you have to select this cell, go to format painter. See, now I'm writing this 2020. It can't be changed in other format rather than date. See, this is the format painter works, and this is the paste. I'm deleting this cell. Now this is in formula. If we delete this column, see the second column also deleted with that, क्योंकि ये मर्ज था दोनों कॉलम से. क्यों? फॉर्मूला लगा था, दोनों में फॉर्मूला लगा था. कंट्रोल मैं अंडू करता हूं. आप देख सकते हैं फॉर्मूला बार में फुल नेम में भी it has a formula for that, and proper name format it also have a formula. So अब मैंने इस सेल को डिलीट किया लेकिन वो भी हो गया. क्यों हो गया? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ फॉर्मूला, क्योंकि वो दोनों से मर्ज है. अब उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना होगा? प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. सिर्फ मुझे फुल नेम को डिलीट करना है, बस प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट को रहने देना है. लेकिन क्या मैं फुल नेम को डिलीट कर रहा हूँ तो यहाँ पे प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट भी डिलीट हो जा रहा है. तो मुझे इसके लिए क्या करना होगा? जस्ट कॉपी दिस सेल जिसको आपको रखना है, जिसे डिलीट नहीं होने देना. कॉपी, देन गो टू पेस्ट, क्लिक ऑन द down arrow, paste special, paste values, or you can select the paste special for that. Okay, just click on that paste value. Now I'm going to delete this full name. Just click. See, जैसे मैंने full name delete किया, ये proper format delete नहीं हुआ. क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्यों नहीं हुआ? क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला हमने हटा दिया था इससे. Now I'm again repeating this same. फॉर्मूला लगा रहता है और किसी में भी आप पेस्ट और कॉपी करते हैं तो वो हट जाता है. क्यों हटता है? क्योंकि वो फॉर्मूला लगा है. आपको उससे पहले फॉर्मूला को हटाना है. कैसे हटाना है? तो आप कॉपी करेंगे उस चीज को. फर्स्ट कॉपी दैट सेल विच यू वांट टू repeated it, then copy this cell, just Control C, or you can select the C copy from here the home button and go to paste. पेस्ट भी आपको वहीं करना है जहां पे आपने कॉपी किया है, कहीं और नहीं करना. पेस्ट में जाकर पेस्ट वैल्यूज. सी, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डिलीट द फुल नेम. सी, प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट एज इट इज वैसे ही रहा, बट फुल नेम हैज गॉन. Okay, now I'm Control Z for that. Z. अगर आपको सेम ये इसके साथ करना था फुल नेम के साथ, तो आपको यहाँ पे फुल नेम में कॉपी करके पेस्ट करना है. सिंपल है, ठीक है. और बॉक्स, अगर बॉक्स आपको चाहिए, यहाँ पे मुझे बॉक्स चाहिए वर्कशॉप इंडिया, जो मैंने एक सेल बनाया है. बॉक्स चाहिए तो यहाँ से आप ले सकते हैं ऑल बॉर्डर्स, और यू कैन सिलेक्ट लाइंस इन लेफ्ट बॉर्डर, राइट बॉर्डर, बॉटम, एंड यू कैन ड्रॉ itself manually. This is the draw border. See, if you want to this fill, okay, now I'm going to fill this. Now I'm going to fill this box. See, अब ये हो गया. अब आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, जहाँ पे ये बॉक्स के अंदर आ गया. कलर करने के लिए यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट करके वैसे ही एक फॉर्मेट बनता है जो आप यहाँ से ड्रॉप, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप बॉक्स borders, and there is the options for drawing a borders. So click on that borders and draw it by your hands. ठीक है. Now I'm going to delete this. Just Control Z for deleting all the cells. Now this is the uppercase. We are all covering the cut and paste, the format and the color, the uppercase. Now moving to the result. This is the marks obtained. You can sum all the subjects marks in one column. What you want to do? Just click on that. Now I am selecting and deleting the cell. देखिए यहाँ पे मैंने जैसे डिलीट किया ना, सारा परसेंटेज भी चला गया. क्यों? क्योंकि ये मर्ज था एक फॉर्मूला से. ठीक है. Now putting sum, select the cell, bracket close, hit enter. See, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे पुट किया परसेंटेज एज, वो ऑटोमेटिकली डन हो गया. और जैसे मैंने डबल क्लिक किया, ये सारे को ऐड कर दिया. और यहाँ पे ग्रेड एंड द परसेंटेज इट शो. ठीक है. टोटल मार्क्स तो आपको मैनुअली फिल करना है, बट फॉर्मूला सम के लिए एंड परसेंटेज, एंड यू हैव टू गिव ग्रेड्स फॉर यूजिंग दिस इफ फॉर्मूला इक्वल टू इफ फॉर्मूला. लॉजिकल टेस्ट के लिए आपको डायलॉग बॉक्स चाहिए, तो कंट्रोल ए फॉर दैट डायलॉग बॉक्स. You can easily understand with this dialog box, so don't write into the column, just write, type if, bracket close, or you can press the tab key in your keyboard, control A for the dialog box. See, the dialog box has been appear. You can write value. I am taking this value greater than 350, comma fun if this grade A upper column comma if is not greater than grade B, sorry. So value and putting C. ग्रेड बी हैज बीन अपीयर, क्योंकि ये 350 से ज्यादा नहीं था. Now I'm deleting this. Similarly, you have to give formula, if formula, for pass and fail also. Okay. Now moving to the working hours, which we covered yesterday, but now I am taking this again for your better prospects understanding, क्योंकि ये बहुत लेंदी चीज है. इसमें लोगों को परेशानी होती है टाइम में, क्योंकि टाइम फॉर्मेट बराबर आता नहीं है. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट टाइम, गो टू फॉर्मेट सेल्स. यहाँ पे मैं चेंज करके आपको दिखा रहा हूँ. ये अभी मैंने कल, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, तो जब मैंने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट लिया था, वो अगर मैं हटा देता हूं तो क्या होता है. देखिए ये 19 आवर्स शो कर रहा है, टोटल 19 आवर्स. यहाँ तो दो ही, मंडे एंड ट्यूसडे इट्स क्रॉसेस 18 आवर्स. 9 + 9 18 आवर्स, 18 एंड हाफ. यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है, दो ही दिन में इसने 18 आवर्स क्रॉस कर दिया, बट यहाँ टोटल वीक दिखा रहा है 19 आवर्स. तो देयर इज सम मिस्टेक. You can go to the cell, right click, format cell, H colon so you have to give square bracket, cover this h hours. See, 43 hours, it's total 43 hours he or she worked. Similarly, you can go to format this cell by clicking this format printer, or you can click the right button for that. Just click on the format printer and choose the desired want to put the formula for hours calculating. Okay, I'm already this filling with this data, and this is the Indian rupee sign. You have to if you want to change the sign, just go to the sign button in number home written box. You can see the here is number, currency, dollars. By default it is in dollar format, US states, United States of Nations. You can click on the arrow button here to change in Indian rupee. Now it's already in Indian, but I want to change in dollar currency, so you have to click on that. See, our dollar sign has been created in the document. Now I want to put a Indian rupee sign. Go to arrow button, here you can see the currency in symbol. Search, you have to search Indian rupee because it can't be manually you type for that Indian rupee. You have to select by choosing this. You have to select in symbol. Go and find our Indian rupees. See, there is Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Malayalam, Kashmiri, Hindi. You can select Hindi for that. Hindi. Now our Hindi signs, our Hindi currency signs has been appeared. See, in this number format, in currency, and here is symbol. Just click on that and find your desired currency. And this is the hourly rate. Now I will cover it again. This hour worked and regular work and overtime and the payment of the week. You just have to delete this cell, put equal to sign, bracket close, take first time out lunch time minus time in, which is login time, bracket close, adding button, bracket open, take time out, which is logout time, minus time in lunch, bracket close, hit enter. 9 hours calculated. Just click on double or you can drag it down. Okay, see, similarly we have to calculate the regular. This is the formula bar. You can see there is the formula bar. When I have select the cell, if it has formula, it appears in the formula bar. This is the formula bar. And regular form, there is also a formula but is in different format. ये क्या है? If, इसमें भी लगा है if function F3 which is R worked greater than K1 which is standard work day which is 8 hours greater than 8 hours, false value. Again we have to select 8 hours and again the false value for hours worked is F3 which is 9 hours. I am going to select this first and going to delete, write it again. If function Control A for the dialog box, and there is the logical test for that. If this is greater than, if our 9 hours is greater than 8 hours which is standard work day, freeze this cell. F4 function, with this F4 function freeze this cell. Dollar sign has been appear. Freeze this cell first, go to the value if true, just select this cell again, standard work day, freeze this cell again, value if false, value if false में हम लोग क्या डालेंगे? hours worked 9 hours, click OK. See, 8 hours calculate कर दिया इसने. Just drag it down. सारे में 8 hours है. इसने थर्सडे को इसने काम किया है साढ़े 7.5 घंटे, सिर्फ 7.5 घंटे काम किया. इसमें ओवर टाइम नहीं है. यहाँ पे ओवर टाइम 1 घंटा, 1.5 घंटा, 1 घंटा, बट थर्सडे एंड फ्राइडे इट डजंट वर्क. अब क्या करना, ओवर टाइम को कैलकुलेट कैसे करें? ओवर टाइम के लिए आप जैसे मैंने क्लिक किया, आप देख सकते हैं फॉर्मूला क्या लगा है. F3 विच इज कॉलम, F which is column and 3 is the row. F3 is greater than G3 which is regular time, comma F3 minus G3 and the false value. If the value is false, we have to put 0 for that and bracket close. Okay, now I'm going to delete this cell. If function equal to if Control A for the dialog box. Control A. Any, you have to put any formula you if you want to dialog box, just Control A after written that formula. Control A. This is the dialog box. Logical test. Our logical test will be 9 hours greater than 8 hours. Okay. You don't have to freeze this cell because it can't work for that. It can't mismatch the data. Or if you want, you can freeze this cell by pressing the F4 key on your keyboard. Value if true. Value if true, you have to select this minus this which is regular time G3 and F3. Value if false, 0, click enter. See, it is calculated 1 hour, 1:30, 1.5, 1 hours. Okay, for using if formula. पहले हम लोगों ने ग्रेटर देन लेस देन का फर्स्ट कॉलम में रखा, उसके बाद माइनस करना था आर वर्क एंड रेगुलर वर्क में, and you have to give false value which is 0. See, F3, F is column, 3 is row, F3 greater than our regular work, G3, F3 comma F3 minus G3 comma 0 and the bracket close, hit enter. See, now moving towards the payment section. This is the work hour, total work hour. We already calculated this sale. Now this is the general format for converting into the rupee format. See, there is the formula for, because in one day 24 hours. Okay, so we have to calculate, multiply this cell into 24 hours. Similarly, we have to multiply this again into 24 hours, and this is nothing but the sum of H3, which is calculated time over time, and this H7, which is the payment section. Okay, and now we have to calculate this regular and overtime first. K4, which is hourly rate standard work, and the overtime, which is 37.50. Now going to delete this. See, ये दोनों को डिलीट किया, यहाँ पे पेमेंट सेक्शन में डिलीट कर गया. सिमिलरली फॉर्मूला लगा था इसलिए डिलीट किया, वरना अगर कॉपी और पेस्ट करते यहाँ पे एज इट इज यहीं पे रहता वो. बट यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हम लोगों को सिलेक्ट करना है सम दिस अमाउंट इनटू, which is shift plus 8 on your keyboard. Select this standard work, bracket close, hit enter. See, the price has been calculated. Similarly, you have to calculate this sale, sum, bracket close, select this cell 3.50 into, मल्टीप्लाई बाय ओवर टाइम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं हम लोग. ओके, ओवर टाइम रेगुलर कर लिया, ओवर टाइम जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, हिट इंटर. सी, जैसे ही यहाँ मैंने दोनों इंटर किया, यहाँ ऑटोमेटिक फिल हो गया क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ पे पहले से डाल रखा था वो. बट मैंने यहाँ पे डिलीट करना और आपको बताना है कैसे ये हुआ. ठीक है, डिलीट दिस सेल, equal to sign sum, bracket open, just select this and drag it. Okay, ये select हो गया, bracket close, hit enter. See, our total pay is calculated, which is 1118.75. Understood? And this is the Monday and Tuesday format. You want to write your write the month's name, January, just month, serial number 1, or you can select this cell and write it down, January. Select this plus control key for the same. This is the copy of January. Just left that. See, January, Feb नहीं आया. क्यों नहीं आया? क्योंकि कंट्रोल दबा था तभी. अब आपको करना क्या है, just without pressing control key, see, January, February, March, April, May, December. See, सिर्फ मैंने एक लिखा, बाकी ये सारे मंथ का नाम यहाँ पे appear हो गया, January, Feb, March and so on. ठीक है. Similarly, you have to write date equal to date function 20 day 20 This all work for time and date and the month, week or any other data you want to put. Just select and drag it. Now I'm going to delete this. Okay. Now going to the graph part, which is not covering yesterday. This is the graph and this is the subject of the graph. This is, you have to increase the chart. Just hold that arrow and drag as you want. It can't often, understanding charts, it can't often be difficult to interpret Excel workbook that contains a lot of data. Charts allow you to illustrate your work data graphically, which makes it easy to visualize and comparisons and trends. So understanding chart, Excel has several different types of chart allowing you to choose the one that best fits for you. In data, in order to use the charts effectively, you need to understand how different charts are used in the different format. Just click on that. Just select the data. Now I'm going to write, no, I'm going to select this full name and grade. Or you want to select whole data, just select that. But I am going to select this grade only. Now I'm going to delete this first chart. Select the data first. You want to be in chart. Go to insert ribbon tab. You see there's the options for charts. There's a pie charts, line charts, and the bar graph, columns. There's a various charts. By default, MS Access has been provided to you. Just click on that chart. See, I am selecting this chart. Now increasing the box table chart by dragging. Okay. Maybe it, yeah. If you want to change the size or design the color of chart, you can select this chart styles from the design ribbon box. See, when I move my mouse cursors, the chart will appear in the sheets as it is in the format. Now I'm going to select this for better view. Now you have to select these various options for chart coloring and the design. I'm going to this, select this chart. See, there there are the options to edit and fill. Also, just click on that chart, double click on that chart. The format plot area has been created in the right sheet of MX Excel. Fill that solid color. If you want to solid color, just fill that. You want to change that color, go to color options, select the color we want to change. See, and this is the transparency, which is धुंधला कर देना, थोड़ा बारीक कर देना, उसको जो भी कलर था उसको ट्रांसपेरेंट कर दिया. ठीक है, तो which is 0 by default. And this is the picture or texture fill. You can select picture. You can select by online also by clicking this online button. I'm not going to select the online file for that. Just for understanding, you have to select by Google, or you can select this, or you can select any picture from your computer. You can select this file. Go to select pictures. If you have pictures in that, just click on that, insert. See, our pictures have been created, which is shortcut key. Okay, now you have to delete this. Just select and delete key. See, where we find the pictures to put in the chart. Here the box picture or texture fill. Go to these options, texture fill. This is the texture fill. If you want to texture that graph, you have to click that options. Okay, and this is the pattern fill. This is the pattern of charts, and this is the automatic, which is colored. Okay, now I'm going to no fill. For that, you want to add any borders, you go to border options. There is options no line and the solid line. Click on the solid line and drop this. Click on the desired color you want to border. Now you want to increase the border size. You can see the width of the border. Just click on that upper box. See our border. जितना मैंने क्लिक किया, जितना बढ़ाया उसको, वो वैसा मोटा होता चला गया. अगर आपको कम करना है तो just click on the drop down box arrow. Okay, this is the color. You have to color this. Change. Go to this color options. See. Now this is the flat. If you want to square, round, just click on that. Cap tab, flat. आप चार्ट बनाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस क्या होते हैं. This is the gradient. You have to gradient your charts border by selecting 4 or 3 colors or many various colors you want to add. Just click on that. Go to color box. See, now I'm going to change in red color. See, again we have to change the red color for that. जैसा कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे, बॉर्डर का जो कलर है वो काफी मतलब 4 कलर अभी मैंने पुट किया है यहाँ पे, तो ये 4 कलर में डिवाइड हो गया है. बॉटम का कलर अलग है विच इज रेड एंड द टॉप विच इज मरून and the right color of border is orange or yellow, mixture of orange and yellow, the plotted area, and this is the vertical values. Okay, now I'm going to delete this format axis. Just click on that chart for format axis dialog box. Double click on that chart. Similarly, you have to change that subject name. See, I want to change this English. Go to English section. Let's say moral. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जैसे मैंने इंग्लिश को चेंज किया, इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू मोरलेस ऑटोमेटिकली, क्योंकि मैंने चार्ट ये पहले से बना लिया है इसी फॉर्मेट में. इस डेटा को मैंने लिया है चार्ट के लिए. तो आप अगर कोई भी चेंजेस डेटा में करते हैं तो आपका चार्ट ऑटोमेटिक कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा उस डेटा में. ओके गाइस, now going to select this for another chart. Go to insert home. For pie chart, I am taking this pie chart for that. Okay, this is the pie chart. You want to add any percentage, just select the chart style from that. Now I'm going to select this. See, only we have pass and fail, which is 2, and 3 columns, 3 rows and 3 columns, 2 rows and 3 columns. So that's why it appears in the 3 divided parts. 35% is pass, 35% also passes, which is 70%, and 30% fail in this data. Now you have to select this and go to change options. See, pass 35%, pass 35%, fail 30%. You want to select and edit this heading of percentage. Go to text options, no fill. See, our text has been disappear from that text chart. You have to give text box, or you have to write give any names. Pie chart, solid color, see, pie chart. Delete this. Pie chart is created. Similarly, you can add anything you want in this chart, or you can edit as you want. And this is the filter section. You want to filter it. If you want to highlight the fail box, or you can just select apply. See, fail part has gone. Now you have to select that to appear and click apply. See, fail is again appearing. You want to unselect the past data. See, there is 53% and the 47% which is fail and 53% which is pass. You want to filter it by name, go to name. There is options for according to your chart. There is no name, that's why it can't show. Okay, go to the value, apply it again. Now I'm going to delete this. Again I'm going to show you. I'm going to select full marks, grade and pass, fail and percentage. To insert a chart, this insert a line chart. I'm going to select this line chart. This is okay. Increase this by dragging. Our total marks is 500, full marks, fail grade B, pass grade A only, pass grade A, which is percentage. The pass or fail guys, 65%, which is grade A, and the 66 point A, which is grade A also. And this is the 57 point under the 60, which is fail. You want to filter this, go to filter section. You want to hide this 500 grade B fail students, just select the data, apply. See, fail has been gone from our chart. Okay, now going to add, go to filter again, select the data, apply it. Okay, now I'm going to delete this. Similarly, you can add or create any chart from your data, but you have to write your data first to convert into chart. As we sort of time, we're covering all the topics fast. Okay, now I'm going to delete format shape. ये चार्ट हो गया. आप लोगों की जो भी क्वेश्चंस है मैं आज सेशन के एंड में मैं कवर करूंगा, तो आप क्वेश्चंस चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. I will answer you one by one. Okay. This is the name and the qualifications again here. For the filtration of data, you know already. Now moving towards the company data, which is sheet 5 in your Excel sheet. Okay. See, just open your company data. This is the name of the company XYZ Company India, the date and the name of the persons and the address. Campus is a shoe brand. And this is the product key, product code and the piece and the rate and the amount, which is total and less 32%. And this is the net amount. ये total amount हुआ. अब इसमें इसको rebate मिला 32%, which is 7,213. टोटल अमाउंट में 7,000 इसके माइनस हो गए अराउंड. तो ये नेट अमाउंट इसको पे कितना करना हुआ 15,000. तो ये 32% को लेस कैसे किया, एग्जैक्ट लेस कैसे किया. So there is a formula for -32% of percentage. You just click फर्स्ट रेट तक आपको डेटा बना मिलेगा या फिर आपके पास ऑलरेडी होगा या फिर आपको खुद बनाना होगा रेट तक, क्योंकि वो अकॉर्डिंग टू डेटा और कंपनी कोड के हिसाब से आपने कितना पीस खरीदा है वो है मेंशन यहाँ पे। हाउ मेनी पीसेस यू बाउट, 10 pieces, which is code 6453, code also 6453 में 18 piece है। I'm going to change this code for better understanding, 2 and this 4, ठीक है। 3 1 2 4 कोड, प्रोडक्ट कोड 353 का 10 पीस मैंने खरीदा था, रेट था 289 के हिसाब से, ठीक है। इसका डेटा चेंज करता हूँ 299 करता हूँ, ठीक है। 299 यहाँ पे 299 करते ही यहाँ पे डेटा मेरा चेंज हो गया ऑटोमेटिकली। यू कैन सी जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे 299 लिखा, यहाँ पे पहले कितना था 289 था, विच इज 5780। मैंने यहाँ पे 299 किया, automatically it will change because it already given formula for that. Now I'm going to delete this and change the amount 300. See, select this, delete this first. Now equal to sign, you just multiply this rate with pieces, okay। 10 pieces multiply by 289, enter। See, just click on the right button of the cell, see already it's calculated for you with your one click, only one click। Just Control Z for that। See, again I am dragging it down, or you can double click on that corner button। See, ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गया पीस अमाउंट के हिसाब से, ये हो गया। and there is the net amount which is calculated। Going to delete this sum, you can select this cell from here, net amount। This is the 2 options or 3 options, various options for sum, adding this column। Just select this cell, I'm not going to put any formula for that। This is the other option for calculating this cell। Just click this cell, go to auto sum, here is home ribbon tab, go to auto sum options, just click on that। See, our values are calculated in one click। Control Z, or you can sum manually, select this cell, bracket close, hit enter। See, सारे वैल्यू को इसने ऐड कर दिया। अब क्या करना है, 32% जो माइनस करना है मुझे ये नेट अमाउंट से, पार्टी को पेमेंट इतना करना है, टोटल इतना हुआ। उसे शॉपकीपर ने डिस्काउंट दिया 32% का, विच इज 7383। Now going to this equal to sign, select this total amount, multiply symbol, click 32% divided by 100, hit enter। See, again I am going to write equal to sign, select this total amount first, multiply by 32 divided by 100, which is formula of percentage, click, hit enter. ये हो गया. अगर आपको 40% रिपीट देना है इसको, यहाँ पे आप चेंज कर दे 40%. यहाँ से मुझे फॉर्मूला लेना नहीं है, आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे 40% रिपीट देना है यहाँ. तो क्या करना है, 40% आप यहाँ पे लिखे, just type 40, hit enter. See, 40% has been calculated, and go to delete first net amount, select equal to sign, net amount minus which is less 40% amount, hit enter. See, the net amount has been calculated according to your data, and the discount amount this is a very simple logic for that. So plus you have to add all the data first, minus your discounts amount, calculated your discount amount first by multiplying, and total amount you have to minus the less and the total amount, which is net pay. Okay guys, now moving toward the VLOOKUP file. VLOOKUP, कई लोग VLOOKUP को जानते होंगे, कई शायद